Welcome to the ISM Core Software Online Activation Guide. Let's get your software activated. To activate your software, you'll need to create an account on the Software Activation portal. Click on the link to access the portal. The browser with the Activation Portal site will open. Click on Register. Provide the necessary information. Click on Create User. To complete the registration, you need to log into your new account. To do this, click Sign In and enter your username. Check your email for a temporary password sent by the Activation portal. Now return to the Activation portal login page and provide the temporary password you received in your email to sign in. Fill in the required information and click Save. Congratulations! You've successfully completed your registration for the Activation portal. Now, switch back to the ISM Core application. Enter your Activation portal username and password, and press Login. Next, enter the required information, and click Activate. Your software activation key has been successfully imported. To finish the software activation process, simply restart the application by pressing Restart. After restarting ISM Core, log in again with your ISM Core username and password. You will see under Settings and Software Licensing that your ISM Core has been activated.